This is a short training video about report submission and marking for Chemistry 2403 laboratory. You'll need to watch this video and complete the quiz below it before you can submit your first report. You can take the quiz multiple times, but you must obtain a mark of 5 out of 5 before you can continue. For this lab, you will submit a report through Turnitin for all 4 experiments you complete. Experiments 1 and 3 require short written reports. They must be submitted through Turnitin by 11:55 p.m, 1 week after the day you complete the lab. The report for experiment 3 is in the form of a poster. It must also be submitted through Turnitin by 11:55 p.m, 1 week after the day you complete the lab. Experiment 4 has a single, full-length scientific report covering both weeks of experimental work. It must also be submitted through Turnitin by 11:55 p.m, 1 week after the day you complete the second part of the lab. All report submission takes place through Blackboard. You'll not be able to see the report submission folder until you've completed the quiz associated with this video. Inside that folder, folders for each experiment. And inside each folder, you'll find Turnitin drop boxes. You must take care to submit your report to the correct folder and drop box for your group and day. If you do not do this, your report will not be marked on time and you may also lose marks. Submit your report by clicking on View Complete for the correct folder. This is what the report submission folder looks like. You can view the marking rubric by clicking here. This will show you a breakdown of how marks are allocated for this report. And you can submit your report by clicking on this button. After your report has been marked, you can also come back here to view feedback. Once you've uploaded your report, you'll receive an email confirmation. If you've not received this confirmation, it's your responsibility to ensure that your report has been correctly submitted. After your report has been marked, you can access it from the Turnitin folder and see your feedback. There are 2 ways of getting feedback. First, you'll notice that there are comments on your report. If we zoom in, you can see that the comments are either speech bubbles or short phrases. You can hover over these to see the comments beneath. The second way to get feedback is to click the rubric symbol on the bottom right-hand corner. This will bring up the breakdown of marks for your report. So that's how you get feedback through Turnitin. Make sure you do check your report feedback so that you can improve for next. You must complete the quiz below this video and get a mark of 5 out of 5 before you can submit your report. As with other reports, this will be due at 11:55 p.m, 1 week after the lab session in which you completed the experiment. This short report and all others will be marked and feedback provided within a week of the due date. If you have further questions, check out the links on Blackboard. But for now, make sure you complete the quiz below this video.